Hey guys, Gman from Texas here. Hey, I'm going to show you a little mod that I did to my trailer to make it easier to get in and off the boat. I bought this step from Amazon for 36 bucks. Installed it the way that I wanted it, and it works out really cool. I put it on the front there in front of the winch, and this is what it looks like after it's installed. Took me 5 minutes to put it together, guys. The step brings all its hardware, the screws and nuts and everything, and this extra plate that I put here in the back. A lot of people put this application on the side of the trailer, but for me, it works better here right in front of the winch. Okay, so get to the ramp. Foot over here. Foot over here. Foot over here. And down. I used to have to put my foot all the way down. I can even go up, although I never do. Go up here. And I'm on the boat. It's definitely going to help old timer like me. There you go, guys. DIY trailer step. And Gman from Texas, like I always say. Hey, peace, y'all.